This tutorial is about products. We're now moving forward with the website in terms of we've got the logo up there, we've sorted out all of the main settings, we've added some categories. Now it's time to add some products to those categories and start to get this site looking quite lively. Okay, so let's go to our dashboard, catalogue, products. What I'm going to do, these products that are here are from the default install. They're there as a learning tool for you. If you had no products in there, it'd be difficult to learn. So let's now select all of those and let's delete all of those. There you go. Right, now it's time to add a product. So top right hand corner, add new. Let's start to get this this underway. Let's just call this basic template. Any options within these tabs where we have this little red mark by the side of it, this little red star, means it has to be filled in. So meta tag title, this is what gets displayed at the top of the page. Again, an SEO tutorial later on that one. So we're just going to go with the basic website template, which is there. Okay, so that's all we need to do. This keep it really easy. Okay, so that's all we really need to worry too much about that one. Let's now go on to the data one. This is generally where it's the most important area. So let's now add an image for it. So we're now going to add an image. I'm sure you've got quite the hang of it so far. And we're just going to choose this template, which is here. We'll let it upload. Click OK. It should now appear somewhere here. There he is. So we collect him, and there he is. Model number, this is a unique model reference number for you to register, and there's more down there if you want to use them. Okay, I'm going to display the price here at £50. I'm going to leave this tax class closed for the time being. Maybe we'll come back to that one later if we need to. Quantity in stock, I'm going to change as 10. Minimum quantity is there. Every time somebody orders, yes, it's going to be taken away. SEO keyword, again, we'll come back to that later. What you will notice with this though, it's all one word and there are no spaces is the best way. Obviously you can set a date in which for it to be available. Obviously you can do these by weight and height if you're doing postage and packaging. Most important thing here is status, and make sure that that is enabled, which is there. Okay, links. We can assign this product to many manufacturer links as we like, but on this occasion I'm not going to. However, I'm going to assign it to a category, and we will put it into open cart templates, and we should also put it, just for the fun of it, into art and culture. Actually, we'll put it into a different one, because what you'll see is when you click on that, it only shows you the top 5 which are there. For the minute, we'll do art and culture, and I'll come back to that in just a second, because I know that if it changes, it will change in a minute. So here I can add an additional images if I want to, but I'm not going to. And again, all of these tabs for the minute, I'm going to leave them. Now, I'm just going to save that, and that itself will now save as my image. Now, going back to the categories, I want to add that product into a different category. So what I'm going to do, as an example, I'm going to put it into the electronics one. Now, let's go back. Now you'll notice, like I say, it only shows the top 5, and that electronics one is not there. What you do is you start to type the category, and all of a sudden it appears. And there you go. So now, if we now go back to the main site itself and we click the refresh, you'll notice that lower layer of images has gone. We'll come back to there next. So if we click on here, we'll now see that it's in art and culture. It's also in electronics, and if we, it will obviously be in Seal Open Card templates. So let's click on electronics, and there we go. We now see that image based upon there. If we want to click into it, we will now see more detail about that product. There you go. So that's the very basics of adding a product. Thank you.